do you really know if you're overpaying or underinsured on your business insurance? I get this question a lot from business owners who watch one of my videos and then call me. They're a bit uneasy, maybe even nervous. They've had business insurance for a while, but they're unsure of what they have. They don't know if it's accurate or priced well, and in many cases, they don't have a relationship with the broker or the insurance company that initially sold them their policies. So they're unsure even who to ask. Just a lot of question marks, making them very uneasy. When you consider that a business is likely the most significant asset that a business owner has, there's a lot on the line, a lot to worry about. The bottom line is that most business owners don't know what they have when it comes to insurance, or if it's sufficient or accurate. Unfortunately, they find out the hard way after a claim has happened. Hi, I'm Gordon Coyle. Welcome to my channel where we talk about the risk and insurance issues on the minds of business owners. I work with business owners across the country, helping them solve the wicked insurance issues that keep them awake at night. If you find yourself in this position and you want to chat, reach out and let's connect. All right, so how do you know if what you have is enough or if you're paying a fair premium? The truth is, unless you live and breathe insurance like I do every day, it's impossible to have clarity or confidence on this. And that's why working with a skilled insurance broker makes a lot of sense. Here's what I see all the time. A company has been with the same broker or carrier for years. They've never had a big claim. Rates go up a little bit every year, but nothing crazy, so everything must be fine, right? Well, not always. The problem is, insurance doesn't look broken until it fails. And when it fails, it's expensive, it's stressful, and often it's too late to fix. You might be carrying outdated limits on both your property and liability coverages that don't reflect the growth that your company has had. You may even have pivoted operations and the classifications of how your business may be insured is incorrect. You may be missing critical coverages like cyber coverage or employment practice liability or international coverages. Or you're paying for coverage that no longer fits your operation. Here's the kicker. Your current broker may not even be aware of these issues. Not because they are bad at what they do, but because they're just not asking you the right questions. And this is especially true of direct providers where there's little to no human interaction. So let's go back to that question. How do you know if you're overpaying or underinsured? How can you fix that? In my opinion, you start by working with a broker who takes the time to actually understand your business. A broker who conducts a true coverage review, not just has renewals with last year's data over and over and over again. A broker whose team listens to your pain points, identifies exposures you didn't know existed, and walks you through why certain coverages actually matter. That's what we do here at the Coyle Group, and I mean that literally. When a business comes to us, we don't just jump into quotes. Instead, we start with a conversation. We ask questions no one else is asking. We review your existing policies line by line to show you where you stand. Now, you may be thinking, well, shouldn't I just shop around and get a few quotes? You could, but here's the truth. That rarely gets you what you actually need. Why? Because insurance isn't just about price, it's about precision. And bouncing from one broker to another for quotes often leads to incomplete applications, inconsistent submissions to the insurance marketplace, and a whole lot of confusion, with you stuck in the middle. So what works better? Finding the right broker, one you can trust and work with strategically over time to get your insurance program dialed in. So if you're a business owner wondering if your insurance is really working for you, let's have a conversation. No pressure, no sales pitches, just a real review of what you have and whether it's doing the job it's supposed to do. We may discover you're in great shape or that you've got some gaps that need fixing before it's too late. Either way, you'll walk away smarter and more confident about your coverage. To get started, in the description box below is a link to my contact form. Click that, fill in the form, and me or someone on my team will get back to you very quickly to get the process started. Do it now. Don't procrastinate. It's important to know you have clarity and peace of mind and confidence that you're protected. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, do me a favor, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks.